Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Today, I am going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper on a Audi Q7, all three of them, the two front and the one in the rear. Also, I am going to show you where to get a set of three for only $13. You may say, what? Three for 13? Yes, and this is the one I got. You may realize that the package is broken. This is because I already put them on a few days ago, and today I decided to put the old one back and put the three into the package and restore them as much as I could, and to show you from the beginning. Because of that effort, I would hope that you can like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. So first of all, where do I get them? Well, simple. Go to Amazon, and the link is in the description. If you have Prime, it is $13 at the moment. Unfortunately, if you do not have Prime, it will be $22, which is still really good, by the way. And if you do not know, sometimes Amazon will give you a trial Prime for just $2. So take that offer if you don't have Prime and you want to get this set for $13. Anyway, this is how they look like. It's not a famous brand, obviously, but you will see the build quality looks really good. The same link have 58 options totally. So if you have a different car, you can still go to the same link and look at all the options. You may be able to find a set that fit your cars too. So yeah, you just open it up. I already opened it up, and I am going to get them out. So this is the real one, and yes, the package is broken, and yes, it comes with installation instruction. So this is the real one, how it looks like, and this is one of the front one. I believe this is a passenger one, which is a 20-inch one, and it actually came with some protection plastic. I don't believe this one has protection plastic. I do not know why, but obviously you need to take it out before you do your installation. And lastly, this is the longer one, the driver one, which is 27-inch, and yes, the installation menu is inside. And again, we're going to take it out. Okay, and we'll take the protection plastic out, and we are ready to go install it on the car. Now let's do the real one first. It's very simple. You grab it up, okay, and there's no mechanism to really release. You just do it like that, pull it up, it comes right up, and you see kind of two tab out here. You just hold on to it, and that's it. No spring or anything. And this is the new one. We are just going to press onto it, and we are good to go. Okay, click, put it down. That's all. This is how to replace the real one. Now let's go to the front. So now I am at the front, and this is the passenger side. Both sides are basically the same. You see there is kind of a tab out here. You just lift it up a little bit, snap onto it, and then this one will come right up. So out the old one, and here is the new one. Simple, just slide it in, and it will be good to go. So we'll lift it up and click. That's it. Now the other side though is the same, but there is a small problem. The wiper is a lot longer, and this part is way into the middle of the car. So if your hand is not long enough, you may need a stool to do it, or you can put the wiper in the middle, and that will be closer to your body, and you can do it that way. In fact, there is a function in the MMI that you can put them into exchange position, and you can replace them a lot easier. Maybe I will make a new video later on for that one. Honestly, for most people, just get a stool and do it that way. It's good enough. Anyhow, I will not show you the other side because it's the same, but this is how to replace the windshield wiper on an Audi Q7. Really, really simple. And also how to buy them for $13 totally. Again, the link is in the description. You buy from Amazon. If you do not like it, obviously you can return them. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful for you. If so, please like this video or even better, subscribe to my channel. And again, link in the description to Amazon for you if you want to buy the same one. Thank you. Bye-bye.